with your horses.
We've got your video on before we do it.
I know, yeah, I suppose so. What, you know. You get fucking unravel that, I can't do it. Done, nigga. Ooh. Right, hurry up. Don't you have to back on there, you fucking cunt. Oh, miss you! Get the fuck, look at that packy. Getting away there. Right, is that last piece?
Yeah.
Right, get it on quick. There we go, that'll do. Get over here.
Sounds big.
Look at that. No, who cares? Get all that together.
Ah, my feet are wet.
Hold on, you packy. I want to video this, you packy. We're a bit close, ain't we?
I don't know, are we?
I don't know, are we? Might be, yeah. It's gonna blow, innit? I hope so. Shut up, you know, mate. The best I blow it. Or yeah, a bit of them. What, you doing it in me, packy?
I'm not, you know.
On me back?
You fuck wet.
You what?
Fuck wet.
Nice. Come on, blow your dick.
You can blow my dick.
No. Especially with recording, no.
Yes, of course.
Don't go small, you packet. Still the old carrying there. Oh, blow up. Got any more paper?
No.
Go shove it on. Oh, shit. Oh, fucking shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit and shit and shit. Why hasn't it blown up yet?
I don't know, you never know, it could go kaboom!
I hope so.
Get you in there.
Fuck yeah. Remember how you shot stands in the house? That was good.
Here's some ticking.
Something, huh?
That'll be a cam on it.
Yeah. Sounds like a bomb, doesn't it?
Yeah. Stop. Now when people go over it, then it could be.
Yeah, like Samus. Can't even see every fucking phone though. Where the fuck? Oh! Oh, fuck!
Holy fireworks.